says the Pfizer vaccine is good to go, making it the first COVID-19 vaccine to be granted full approval for anyone 16 and up. The highly anticipated news is expected to trigger a ripple effect of vaccination requirements, something the president himself is encouraging.
If you're a business leader, a nonprofit leader, a state or local leader who has been waiting for full FDA approval to require vaccinations, I call on you now to do that. Require it.
The president also called FDA approval the gold standard, and right now Pfizer is the only one to have it for people 16 and up. Moderna, Johnson & Johnson, and Pfizer for younger people are being administered under emergency use authorization. Now, the big question, of course, tonight is what exactly does this mean? Karen Morfitt looking into it for you. And Karen, we're already seeing some businesses requiring proof of vaccination in response to this today.
And Karen, some major organizations said they were waiting for FDA approval before they would announce any sort of mandate, the military being one of them. And this is something we can certainly see here locally, according to experts. Now, the city of Denver already has a vaccine mandate in place. This will just give more legal backing to any of those employers that maybe had some reservations.
As Coloradans continue to trickle into vaccine clinics across the state, FDA approval of at least one of the available shots is reassuring to some.
I was very apprehensive because it didn't have FDA approval. It kind of seemed to just come out so fast.
It may also be a factor for business owners wrestling with the idea of mandating vaccines.
I think we're going to see a lot more employers mandate vaccines at this point.
Christine Samsel, an attorney specializing in employment law, says having the approval puts this vaccine in a category similar to other requirements.
Schools mandate certain vaccinations subject to exemptions. Healthcare providers often mandate various vaccinations.
It too will come with exemptions for those with medical conditions, disabilities, or religious beliefs. And while many have questions about sharing medical information,
just asking about vaccination status is not a prohibited question. Once you get that information, you do have to treat it in a confidential manner.
When it comes to patrons, the same rules apply. Greg Clifton, a professor at MSU and practicing attorney, says those decisions have become more political than medical.
You certainly don't want to go back to a shutdown. And if this is what avoiding a shutdown looks like, then I think business owners are going to get behind it.
Now, while legal experts say that businesses can ask for proof of vaccination from customers, there are a few other issues that they're going to have to deal with, including concerns about privacy, maintaining those records and keeping them confidential, as well as obtaining information from minors. For now, we're live in Denver. Karen Morfitt covering Colorado First.
All right, Karen.